Forex market, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome back to the situation update. Today on the program we got the euro pound with an immediate update, very important update regarding our existing bullish campaign. And in the next video we're gonna explore the gold. Again, I'm gonna give you a bit of a promo. We got some interesting revelation about the gold and we just took action, so that's a fresh one. We're going to share that with you as well. But let's dive in, talk about the euro pound here. As you know, a couple of days ago, it was yesterday. We got in, right? We got into the euro pound. We were waiting for price action to turn around at 85.33. Let's take a quick look at this one. This is how it looks like. We've been here calling it out as it was happening, right? Big reaction of 85.33 here, 85.35. We actually have two levels here. Let's see closely. Let's check this out. 85.29 and a little bit above, right? 4 pip above 85.33. A lot of support is coming from that area. So price action turning around was not surprising. And so yeah, we picked it up. Right, we were waiting for that week to end. Talking about last week, looked sharp at that point, and we got in. We throw it in 20k, right? We came pretty strong right off the bat, 20k. And the reason I wanted to touch base here with the euro pound was because it's closing in on the target. It's pretty close, right? But it's not there yet. It had a very explosive day yesterday, right? Very explosive day. Came off a little bit before the end of it, but didn't touch base with, didn't hit 86.44, didn't tag 86.60, obviously even higher. And we thought it was a good time. It's probably a good chance to throw one more punch here, so we did. Another 20k. Right now the position is pretty big, 40k, as we're getting closer to the target. But here's what we did. Instead of focusing mostly, because that was the game plan when we started, our attention was at 86.44 as the primary target and final destination. But because of we got a complicated situation here. Technically speaking, we got two systems. One belongs to the very short-term cycle, which is this, the black one, and then a bigger one, that's the blue. Now, price action is coming off the mid-low key level on the blue system, so we think it's going to go all the way to the mid-high key level of the blue system, which means 86.60. Having said that, a safer bet would be 86.44, right? 86.44. But I just think it's going to hit both. You know what I mean? I just think it's going to hit both in the same shot, right? The same shot could be today. Could be today, but could be, if not today, in the next day or two. But pretty much that's what we expect. So instead of focusing on 86.44 with the second trade that we just thrown in, the fresh 20k, we're going to aiming with this one to 86.60. So as you can see, we got two targets now activated, right? 86.44 for the first trade, and 86.60 for the second trade, and that's pretty much the details as far as what's happening here with this bullish campaign. I should probably also mention stop loss level, which was adjusted to 85.50. All right, so guys, right now we're hiding below 85.86 for protection. Right, in case anything, in case it's going to be noisy here, in case it's going to be a bit of a backlash to yesterday explosive yesterday's explosive move. So 85.86 should keep us safe here, but we just expect price. Well, we hope price will just finish up the job, push forward, and take those targets. All right, so it's going to be interesting to come back, which we're probably going to do. Probably next week, and follow up on the situation here. There you go. That's about that. Euro pound, guys. But we're not leaving yet. We still have one more interesting analysis on the gold to take care of. So see you there. Cheers.